In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pre-fill Jotform in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're making forms for event registrations, surveys, or feedback, pre-filling them can save your respondents a lot of time and ensure you get accurate information. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Jotform website. For those of you who might not be familiar, Jotform is an incredibly versatile online form builder that allows professionals, organizations, and businesses to create forms for a variety of uses. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page. The next step is to log into your Jotform account. Click the login button visible on the top right of the page. If you're new to Jotform, setting up an account is straightforward and free for basic features, which is great for getting started. Now, for logging in, Jotform offers a couple of convenient options. You can either use your Google account for a quick sign-in, or choose another platform you've connected to your Jotform account previously. This makes accessing your account hassle-free and takes just a moment. Alright, once you're logged in, your next destination is the My Forms section of Jotform. This area is essentially your dashboard for all the forms you've created or have been shared with you. It's very user-friendly and allows for easy navigation. From here, find the form you wish to pre-fill and click on the More button next to it. This button will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to manage your form. It's these little features that make Jotform such a powerful tool. After clicking More, select Submissions. This will take you to a page where you can view all the responses your form has received. The layout here is designed to make it easy for you to manage these submissions, further adding to the convenience Jotform provides. Now it's time to add a pre-fill option. Click on the ADD button within this submissions page. This action opens up several possibilities for managing your form's data and customizing it according to your needs. Next up, click on Buttons. This section allows you to add various types of buttons to your form, enhancing its functionality and making it more interactive for users. Here comes a critical part. Click on Send Form. This feature is what enables you to share your form with others, and in our case, we use it to initiate the pre-fill process. After clicking Send Form, you'll see a Next button. This button will guide you through the next steps of setting up the pre-fill option. It's straightforward and ensures you're not missing any critical steps along the way. Now you get to personalize this feature a bit by typing any name you like for the pre-fill. This could be anything that helps you identify the purpose of the pre-fill or the group of respondents you're targeting. After naming it, click Next again. This step-by-step process is part of Jotform's design to make form creation and management as easy as possible for its users. Then you'll be prompted to select a form to send. This is where you choose the specific form you want to pre-fill. Jotform's interface makes it easy to navigate through your forms and select the right one. Once selected, you'll click Next again, moving forward in the setup process. These gradual steps are great for ensuring you don't overlook any details. Now, this is where things get a bit more specific. Click on Fields. This area allows you to select which parts of your form you wish to pre-fill. It's a fantastic way to customize the form according to the information you already have. After selecting Fields, click on Email. This choice is crucial if you're aiming to pre-fill the email field in your form, which is often common for registrations or applications. Finally, click on Create Column. This last step solidifies your settings and preferences for the pre-fill. It's your confirmation that all the details are in place and you're ready to utilize the pre-fill feature. And there you go. You've just learned how to pre-fill a Jotform. This feature can significantly streamline the process for your respondents, making it more likely that they complete and submit your form. It's an efficient and simple way to enhance the user experience and gather the data you need. Thanks for following along, and be sure to explore Jotform's other features to make the most out of your forms.